In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Docusign. Whether you're working on a document that's packed with details or simply want to give your eyes a break with a closer look, zooming in on Docusign is quick and straightforward. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can navigate Docusign with ease and precision. Let's dive in. First, you're going to need to head over to the Docusign website. You'll want to do this by opening up your preferred web browser and navigating to Docusign's official webpage. Docusign is a top choice for electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it a trusted tool in many business settings. Once you're on the website, the next thing you need to do is log into your account. To do this, locate and click the Login button. It's usually positioned prominently on the page to make accessing your account as easy as possible. If you don't already have an account, this would be a good time to sign up. However, for this tutorial, we're going to assume you've got one ready to go. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Docusign home. This is the main dashboard from where you can navigate through all your documents and signatures. To find this, there should be an option visible right after you log in that takes you directly to your home page or dashboard. Once you're at the home dashboard, you'll see a list of documents you can manage. Look for a document you want to work with and click on it. This action will open up the document, preparing it for any further interaction such as reviewing, signing, or as we're about to do, zooming in. Now that your document is open, it's time to focus on the zoom function. In Docusign, the zoom option is available in the interface you're currently viewing. It's situated conveniently at the top of the document window so you can easily access it whenever needed. Look for the zoom in button, which is typically symbolized by a plus icon or the words zoom in. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on zoom in. You'll notice that the document view will adjust, bringing the content closer and magnifying what's displayed on your screen. This feature can be particularly helpful if there are small details or fine print that you need to analyze more clearly. And there you have it. Now you're all set to zoom in on Docusign with confidence. This easy process allows you to manage your documents more effectively, ensuring no detail goes unnoticed. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps make your Docusign experience a bit more seamless.